Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In a hotel, there are 178 rooms. If the rent of each room for one night is $13,075, what would be daily income of the hotel, assuming all rooms are occupied? So, rent of one room equal to $13,075. Therefore, rent of 178 rooms will be simple multiplication. So 13,075 multiplied by 178. So let's perform this multiplication. We have 178, sorry, 13,075 multiplying 178. So we have 8 5s are 40, 8 7s are 56 plus 4 is 60. So 6 is here, 8 3s are 24, 2 carried, 8 1s are 8 plus 2 is 10. Then we have 7 5s are 35, 7 7s are 49 plus 3 is 52. 7 zeros are 0 plus 5, 5. 7 3s are 21. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 is 9. Next we have two zeros, then we start 1 5s are 5, 7 0 3 1. So let's see what we have here. We have 0 5, 6 plus 5 11, plus 2 13, 1 carried, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 5 we have 17, 1 plus 1 2, 9 plus 1 10 plus 3 13, and this is here. Therefore, rent of 178 rooms is equal to daily income of hotel. Conditions applied. Condition is that all rooms are occupied. Equal to we have $23,27,350. So this is the daily income. Daily income of hotel, assuming all rooms occupied. This is the answer.